Did you know that nearly 50% of adults over 30 have some form of gum disease? Yeah, that's right. It's a silent epidemic that can lead to tooth loss and other serious health issues if we don't take action. So today we're going to talk about how to stop gum disease fast with 100% natural methods. Welcome back, everyone. If you're new here, I'm super glad you found us. Today we're diving into a topic that often gets overlooked: gum disease. Trust me, it's not just about having bad breath or bleeding gums. Periodontitis can seriously impact your overall health, and prevention is key. So let's get into it. All right, let's break it down. Periodontitis, or gum disease, usually starts with something as simple as plaque buildup. If you don't keep up with your dental hygiene, bacteria in your mouth can lead to inflammation. You might notice some symptoms like swollen gums, bad breath, or even tooth sensitivity. But here's the kicker: many people don't realize they have gum disease until it's advanced. That's why it's so important to recognize the early signs and take action before it escalates. So what causes all this? Poor oral hygiene, smoking, certain medications, and even genetics can play a role in gum health. If we don't tackle these issues head-on, we could be facing some serious consequences. Now let's talk about how we can naturally prevent gum disease. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.